Imagine a secretive spacecraft silently orbiting Earth, conducting experiments that could redefine the future of space exploration. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of the X-37B, a highly classified spaceplane operated by the U.S. Space Force. And this week, it's set to embark on its 8th mission, carrying groundbreaking technology with implications for deep space communication and navigation. The upcoming launch, designated USSF-36, is scheduled to take place no earlier than August 21st, with backup windows available if needed. While an exact launch time hasn't been disclosed, the Federal Aviation Administration has hinted at a window extending until 5:11 a.m. on August 22nd. If weather or technical issues intervene, another opportunity will open at midnight on August 23rd. The X-37B will lift off from NASA's Kennedy Space Center Pad 39A aboard a SpaceX rocket, marking yet another chapter in this enigmatic program. But here's where it gets controversial. Despite its high-profile missions, the X-37B remains shrouded in mystery. What exactly is it doing up there? To answer that, let's rewind slightly. Its most recent flight began on December 28, 2023, when it launched atop a Falcon Heavy rocket. After spending over 434 days in orbit, quietly circling our planet, it touched down at Vandenberg Space Force Base in California in March 2025. That mission pushed boundaries, including a first-ever aerobraking maneuver, which uses atmospheric drag to adjust orbits while conserving fuel. But much of what happened during those 434 days remains classified. And this is the part most people miss. The X-37B doesn't carry humans. Instead, it serves as a floating laboratory for cutting-edge experiments designed to advance American space capabilities. Think of it as a miniaturized version of NASA's space shuttle, but with a twist. Unlike the shuttle, which was mounted on external boosters, the X-37B is tucked inside protective fairings and launched as a payload atop a rocket. Once in space, these fairings detach, allowing the craft to glide gracefully through orbit. When it returns to Earth, it lands like a traditional aircraft, gliding onto a runway, a feature that speeds up turnaround times compared to splashdown methods. So what's special about this new mission? According to Boeing, the X-37B will focus on 2 key areas: laser communications and advanced navigation sensors. Laser communications have the potential to revolutionize how satellites communicate, offering faster and more secure data transfers thanks to the shorter wavelengths of infrared light. Meanwhile, the new navigation sensor aims to enhance GPS connectivity in challenging environments, including beyond Earth's orbit and even around the Moon. As General Chance Saltzman, commander of the Space Force, put it, this mission is about more than innovation. It's about making our joint force more connected, more resilient, and ready to operate in the face of any challenge. To truly appreciate the significance of the X-37B, consider its history. Since its debut in April 2010, this reusable spacecraft has logged over 1.3 billion miles across 7 missions. Some flights lasted just over a year, while others stretched nearly 3 years. The 6th mission, for example, spanned an incredible 908 days. In total, the X-37B has spent more than 4,200 days in orbit. Yet details about its 8th mission remain scarce, underscoring the secrecy surrounding its operations. What do you think about the X-37B? Is it a necessary tool for securing America's dominance in space, or does its secrecy raise ethical concerns? Could its technologies one day benefit civilian space travel? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective.